What's up? Good morning, guys. Hope you're having a great start to your weekend. The question I want to talk about is now the best time to buy Shib? Well, it really kind of depends on what your plan is. Okay, some people are a little bit more short-term thinking, they want the instant gains, the here and the now. But when we look at these charts, right? We've talked about how we're likely to see some more downside. I've charted it out for 3 weeks now, and in fact, it's followed exactly what we thought. I talked about that yesterday, and I think we still have some movement to the downside right now. Remember, September historically sucks for crypto, and we're following that right in suit. That has not changed, so it looks like history is probably going to repeat itself, which is great because then we know what's happening this month, right? But when I look at my plan, I'm looking at Shib from a long-term standpoint. I plan on holding deep into this market cycle. I'll probably take some profit late this market cycle, just like I think everybody should. That's what we're all here for, right? Is profit. But when I look at the price now compared to what it could be in a month from now, I'm comfortable adding to my bag right here because I know the X's from here, they won't much outweigh the X's from a month from now. I'm also not a huge risk taker when it comes to, trading too. Okay. I don't want to hold my breath and wait for this fire sale range that we've talked about here and potentially miss out on adding more Shib to my bag. That's kind of the way that I look at it. Now, if you're looking for the best opportunity to buy, it is absolutely if we get to this fire sale range. Does it happen? I'm not sure, right? If we do hit it, it's likely going to be somewhere in mid to late October. Okay, I need people to realize that. Right now, Shib is still holding the market structure we've seen from the top of the bull market. We've broken it twice, right? Remember, obviously, we broke it in February. We broke it again back in August with the launch of shibarium. There's been some things that have taken Shib on a more positive move. Okay, there still are catalysts, believe it or not, within the Shiba ecosystem. We know that Shiba Swap 2.0 has not migrated to shibarium yet. We know that the metaverse is still coming. We know that stable coins are coming. There's a lot of things that are still on the positive side for Shib that could make a price move into the upside. I think obviously shibarium likely would have been the largest catalyst for us to make that move, but sometimes the market surprises you. Sometimes it just goes on these runs out of nowhere. And what you have to remember is now obviously Shib doesn't have this major seller in Voyager to push the price back down. So if we break it, there's no saying if we come back down to these ranges. I said even last time when we broke above this 4010 level, I said we needed to break 4012 or we had a chance of pulling back below 4010. So I've been saying a lot of things right this market cycle, guys. So as always, this is not financial advice. You guys can do what you want, but I think when it comes to Shib overall, you should have a more long-term thinking. That's the way I look at crypto. Yes, I've had coins that I made a 10x in 36 hours and sold. There are going to be short-term plays like that. But with some of these bigger coins, it's all about that time in the market and looking more long-term, having a more long-term vision and mindset, because really something like the Shib ecosystem is not even close to completely rolled out yet. There's still so much opportunity, so much use case, so much utility, so many partnerships that have not really made their way to the light yet that Shib is going to have the benefit of moving with. Okay. That's kind of the point I wanted to make. So I appreciate you guys. I'd love to hear what you guys are thinking right now. I'm adding as much Shib to my bag as I can. I'm dollar cost averaging during these times. Do know that if we do get into this fire sale range, I'm adding a bunch. Shib is a position I want to have a large amount as we move into the next bull market cycle, because I think it has a huge potential with this robust ecosystem that's being built. So I appreciate you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Show your support below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.